Visitors to Japan are often delighted by the incredible variety of candies. We're going to look at a special type of candy that evolved uniquely in Japan. These candies come as sets of ingredients for children to mix and make themselves. This kit is for designing and making your own gummies. With a whole palette of colours to choose from, it's just like painting a picture. Other kits let children learn how to bake safely, without adult supervision. Takoyaki octopus dumplings are a very popular street snack. This kit makes candy that looks just like takoyaki. Pour the ingredients into the mould, then pop into a microwave. It's just like real cooking with a recipe to follow. These candy products range from donuts to cakes and even savoury dango dumplings. All great fun and teaching useful practical skills. No artificial colourings or preservatives are used, so they are perfectly safe to eat. The first of these candies appeared as far back as 1986. It's called Neru 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 Ne. As you add water and stir the mixture, it fluffs up and the colour changes. The inventor was inspired by seeing children playing in a park. We saw how happy kids were making mud pies in the sandpit and realized they'd love a candy to mix up themselves from powder and water. As you stir the white powder into the blue solution, the color gradually takes on a reddish hue. Children are always fascinated by this mysterious change. It's caused by a simple chemical reaction. Anthocyanin is the pigment that gives purple cabbage its color. Mixing it with an acidic solution causes a reaction that changes its color to red. Neru 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 Ne contains the same pigment. The acidic white powder is extracted from citrus fruits. It's the same principle Japanese primary school children will be learning when they do science class experiments. The reason these candies are such a hit isn't just the way they make learning fun. It's the satisfaction of completing a project all by yourself. They learn important basic principles. And they also get to enjoy that thrill we all feel when we accomplish something by ourselves. These learning candies have been enjoyed at home for over 30 years. Today, you also often see them at events and even theme parks. Recent research confirms that playing with these do-it-yourself candies has a positive educational effect. When children's brain waves were measured as they played, this part of the brain was activated. It strengthens the ability to devise sequences of actions and boosts concentration. It's fun! It really seems to help him learn. Yummy! Making learning fun and stimulating creativity. Kids love these candies.